Students, welcome you all in Biology Squad, my channel and your bio ma'am, Dr. Preeti Srivastav, PGT Biology, JNV गोड्डा. इसके पहले JNV गिरिडीह, JNV हंसडीहा. Dear students, today I am confined with class 11th. As you know, class 11th is the pillar for career for biology. Therefore, I will give you concepts. I will tell you what you have to study throughout the academic year. Dear children, first you make your mind and make an action plan and act accordingly. This syllabus of class 11th is somehow vast and it is including different branches of biology. Very interesting one also. And first of all, you should develop a coordination with your book also. So dear students, please hold your book daily with affinity and then you go for study biology. The first unit is, as I am going to describe in detail what you have to study throughout the academic year. The first unit is the living world, diversity of the living world. The first chapter is the living world, second chapter is biological classification, third chapter will deal with the plant kingdom and fourth chapter will deal with animal kingdom. Dear students, this unit is related with the taxonomy. This unit is related with the biodiversity. This unit is very important, though the mark assigned to this unit is very low, that is 7 marks in this unit, but this unit should not be neglected, as being a biology student you will be able to classify the animals, classify the plants, classify the microorganism, you can identify them, you can recognize them. So this unit is having great value, but I will also tell you all, never avoid the scientist. Their name has been given in first page. The one scientist in first page of every unit, you should go through it. And in this diversity unit, Ernst Mayr was the scientist and he is known as the Darwin of the 20th century. Rewarded with 3 prizes known as Crown of Biology. He made his contribution in taxonomy, systematics, evolution, classifications and others. So this unit is very vital. You should never ignore this unit. One thing I want to say, in the world of competition, the students or the organization or the coaching centers also, they avoid this unit, but I say you, never overlook this unit. This is very important one, being a biology student. The another unit is structural organization in plants and animals, and the chapter 5th will deal with morphology of plants, chapter 6 will deal with anatomy of flowering plants, and chapter 7 will deal with structural organization in animals. So structure, I mean to say morphology, anatomy, these two branches of biology you will see in this unit, that is unit 2, and the scientist is Catherine Eshu. Catherine Eshu absolutely dominated in the field of plant biology. She made her contribution in plant anatomy. Her book was on plant anatomy and anatomy of seed plants also. And her book was considered as encyclopedia. So Catherine Eshu was very pioneer scientist. She had contributed in the field of anatomy. The third unit in class 11 is structure and function of cell. It is also base of the biology. The basic chapters are included in this unit. The chapter 8 will deal with cell as unit of life. Chapter 9 will deal with biomolecules. Here is the first chapter is related to cytology or cell biology, and the second chapter is related to biochemistry, that is biomolecules. Chapter 10 will deal with cell cycles and cell divisions. It is also very important to understand. In this unit, you will see a scientist known as G.N. Ramachandran. Ramachandran was very outstanding figure. He had contributed in the field of protein structure and or biomolecule, you may say. He was the founder of Madras School of Conformational Analysis of Biopolymers. Alpha sheet and beta sheet of protein structure he has also described, and never forget, he also contributed Ramachandran plot. You will see this term in various competitive exams. Up to NET exam also you may find this term Ramachandran plot. Now let us come to the another unit, that is unit 4. Dear students, unit 4 and unit 5 are very vital one, and these are related with physiology, that is working of the body. Unit 4 will deal with the plant physiology, and this will include 5 chapters. Chapter 11 will deal with transport in plants. Chapter 12 will deal with mineral nutrition. Chapter 13 will deal with photosynthesis in higher plants. Chapter 14 will deal with respiration in plants, whereas chapter 15 will deal with plant growth and development. So entire plant physiology you have to see. Dear students, and the scientist pointed out in this unit is Melvin Kelvin. You all know about Melvin Kelvin. You all have studied in class 10th also as Kelvin cycle, and this scientist has used radioactivity in positive sense. You all know during the World War II, Hiroshima Nagasaki were shocking due to the ill effect of radioactivity bombarding atomic bomb, and during those moments after Second World War, Melvin Kelvin with his co-workers had worked on radioactivity and searched the biosynthetic phenomenon. You have seen CO2 plus H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they make C6H12O6, that is carbohydrate, that is glucose. And this biosynthetic phase is also known as dark reaction, or this is discovered by Melvin Kelvin by the application of radioactivity, and he also earned Nobel Prize in 1961. So this unit is very, very vital one. Now come to the last but not the least unit, that is unit 5th, human physiology, and this unit will include Chapter 16, that is digestion and absorption. Chapter 17, breathing and exchange of gases. Chapter 18, body fluids and circulation. Chapter 19, excretory products and elimination. Chapter 20, locomotion and movements. Chapter 21, neural control and coordination. And chapter 22, that is chemical control and coordination. This is very vague unit, human physiology, and this is the base for MBBS. If we will go to study MBBS, then this unit will help you a lot. Dear children, in this unit you will see a scientist, Alfonso Corti. Alfonso Corti was Italian anatomist, and first of all he began to study in the field of cardiovascular system of reptiles. Later on he got interested in auditory system of mammals. In the auditory system he had described about the organ of Corti, which is located with the basilar membrane of internal ear. Basilar membrane is found in cochlea of internal ear. So he had made his greatest contribution in this field. So dear children, don't afraid. Though there are 5 units and last 2 units are very mega units, but don't afraid. Please have affinity with biology. If you are going to study biology, you will get various terms and have your love with those terms. Always touch your book, biology, daily with love and affection. You will certainly develop very good interest in biology and will do better. Best of luck. Have victory. You may get various scopes in the biology, not only MBBS. You may contribute in the field of agriculture. You are studying plant physiology also. You may contribute in the field of health and diseases. You may contribute in the field of saving of biodiversity, which is the demand of the present day. So this is enough for the day. And last but not least, I am your bio ma'am. You are my children. You are my students, and there is no substitute for teachers. There are no substitute for students. There is relation. So please subscribe this channel, and the name of the channel is Biology Squad. I will give you certain link also to go through these contents and clear your concept. So be confident when you are taking biology. So salute this subject and have confidence, have love and affinity with this subject so that you can serve the nature. One more thing I want to say, dear children, if you will become doctor or if you have determined to become doctor, then doctors are next to God. And during this lockdown period, you are very much aware every day doctors are doing well. They are serving the nature. They are fighting against the COVID-19. They are fighting against the corona. And I am always telling you, doctors are next to God. They have not to play with the sand and stones or metals, but they have to play with the living object. They have to play with the human being. They have to play with the animals. Therefore, please be sincere. Having your sincerity will prove certainly a landmark in the field of world, in the field of service to the world. Best of luck to all the students who are having their interest in biology. Thank you.